Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I'm going to be featuring another quick and easy Valentine's card. And this time I'm going to be featuring the Sure to Love You stamp set, which have the coordinating dies, or framelits I should say. And this one is called the Lots to Love box framelits. This die set actually makes a nice treat box holder that we'll be doing in the future, so you can see it. But it also has all the hearts and this banner, and so it's really nice and coordinates pretty well with this one. And as usual, whenever you purchase these two together as a bundle, you get a 10% discount. So anyhow, so definitely one of the must-have for this time frame. So the card that I'm going to be making is going to be using the brand new design series paper, which is what is his name? Hold on, let me just see the name again. Painted with Love. And what I like about this is that every single sheet of paper has some sort of foil. So it is all really nice, and of course every card that you make with this one just looks gorgeous. I'm not kidding you. I think it really do. The other thing that I just need to make sure you all know is that we're still on celebration time, and so for every $50 that you spend on my shop, you will get one free set out of the catalog, out of the celebration brochure, I should say. And so make sure you check that out on my blog, www.creatingwithali.com. And also I have for the month of September a special going on, and actually it's going to be for the whole year, but every month I will be changing what you're getting. But for every online order that I get through January 2008 using this host, and they have to be at least $30 to $35, at least $30 I would say, you'll get a card kit in the mail. And this month I am featuring the Painted with Love, because it will be perfect for Valentine's. So anyway, just check that out. And like I said, here is the hostess code to use, and I'm gonna move this one here so you can see it. So anyway, so let's just go with our project. So this one is Calypso Coral, and it's 4 1/4 by 11. I had already pre-score. I noticed that whenever I do the long size of a card, if I just fold it like I always do in my regular videos, I get some crinkles. So on this one, I do recommend to pre-score it. That way you don't get any of those wrinkles when you're holding. Then still use your bone folder to crisp your folds, but this is how it will go. The next thing that we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be stamping the outline with Calypso Coral too. Oh, yes, so I have Calypso Coral. Let's just make sure I have a nice image. And I'm going to put it somewhere here. Alright, so not rocking it, just pressing firmly. You get your heart right there. And the next thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to die cut the heart in the middle. But before I do that, I also need to stamp the banner, and I'm going to be using the Mellow Mambo. And let me just see, where is this? Okay, here. And this is, as you can see, it's just a scrap. So yep, there we go. And I just recently re-inked my pad, so you can see it's really juicy. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to bring the Big Shot real quick, because I want to die cut the heart. So I'm going to be putting it here. Let me just get again my, where did I leave the, I mean, you saw that I had them, right? Now I don't, I can find them. Huh. I always do that. What did I do with, oh, here it is. So like, what did I do with it? So I'm going to be using this one. So I'm going to be putting it right in the middle. And then this one. Okay. Let me just put this one here. Okay. And I'm going to put this one right in the middle. And let me just put my acrylic. Let's just get through. There we go. Now, so I have these. I have that one. I have these. Let me just take the big shit out of the way and then continue with you guys. So what I have here now is I have a window, and I'm going to be gluing now this paper, which is Whisper White, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4. Okay. So I'm going to be putting this right in the middle. Now here is the other thing. You see this? I have already die cut a heart from that design series paper, as well as this little heart with the gold glimmer paper. And so what I'm going to be doing now is putting the rest of this card together. So first of all, I am adding this, what is this, the powder pink? Yes, powder pink, finely woven ribbon. And so I'm going to be doing a knot, or yeah, a knot. And you know what, I'm going to be putting it on this side. Let me just do that. And I want it more towards the end. I don't want it to be, there we go. And so now, let me just make sure I have these. Well, let's just do that. And then you just pull this one. And there we go. So now I'm going to be cutting the ends. There we go. And the next thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to be putting these heart here with dimensionals. Where are the dimensionals, right? Here we go. So I'm going to be putting dimensionals on this. Okay. There we go. That way it's right there. Then I'm going to be adding this banner here, and I'm going to be putting dimensionals on this on each end. So I need 2 dimensionals here, so 1 here and 1 there. And I'm going to be putting it like so. There we go. And finally, where's the little heart? Yes, another dimensional, because I'm going to be putting it right here. And I think it will be nice to have, you know what, I think I'm going to be nice if we put the fast fuse at the very end. And then one of those mini, well, I actually, where are my mini dimensionals? Here, one of the mini dimensionals on this end. Oh, because I will put this section on top of that, and the dimensional here. So here is the card that we made. Can you see that? And then you have here to write down, and it will look really nice. How about that? Do you like it? I hope you do. So anyway, again, it was really quick and easy, featuring all the products from the Painted with Love suite. And like I said, during the month of January, if you place an order at least $30 or so, you will get a card kit to make these cards on the mail from me. So I'll send you everything. You will have to provide the stamping, because of course I cannot provide the stamping. But by the way, this little panda, can you see that? Is from the Party Pandas. And this is an item that you get for free when you order $50. So this is one of the stamp sets that you would get for free if you decide to do so, right? Out of the celebration. So I use that one. So again, you will need to use that little guy. I cannot send stamped images, that's against policies, but you'll get everything, ribbon, the shapes, everything. So hopefully you are interested in that, and it will be just in time perfectly for you to send them during your during Valentine's. So anyway, thank you so much. I'll put all the information on the link of this video, and hope to see you soon. Bye.